What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Tay, the fan favorite, the best. I don't even got 1,000 subs yet. Why am I chatting? Today I got a clothing haul, so you see the title. This is a great clothing haul under $100. When I'm showing these clothes, I'm not talking about the shoes that I got, because the shoes obviously they're more than 100 a piece. So today I'm just basically talking about the clothes. We got 3 fits for you, so we're gonna go through them, describe them, and then you see me try it on. Man, it's kind of cold, isn't it? Oh wait, sorry guys, I almost forgot my hat. Mom always says wear your hat or you'll get sick. So mind you, all the clothes I got were from Abercrombie and Fitch, from the clearance section, because we have an additional 30% off. Just in case I've never said it, I'm a key holder or a sales supervisor at Abercrombie and Fitch in Westchester Mall, New York. So this is the t-shirt. This t-shirt is a size medium from the clearance section. The original price on it was $11.99, plus the additional 30 off, made it like $8. These are the jeans I got to wear with them. These are called Felix Super Slim. As you can see, these are super skinny jeans with rips in them. Also in the clearance section, was originally $19.99, 30% off. I think it was like $13 or something like that. For those who know me and see me every day, they know how I dress. I usually make my clothes complement my sneakers. So these are the sneakers I'm wearing with them. These are Air Force Ones Utilities from 2007. Now, I didn't get these in 2007. I got them in 2018, but they were originally released and designed to drop in 2007. These are only $100. This is another shirt from Abercrombie and Fitch. I haven't even taken the tag off. It was $19.99 plus the 30% off. I can't remember, maybe $11, $13, $14. Sorry, I can't do math in my head. This isn't a math video, but anyway, you see this right here is more like a fitted t-shirt. So it's a fitted thermal or Henley, however you want to call it. It's long sleeve. You see it has the red and navy blue going around the collar and going around the sleeve. It is navy blue, it's not red and black. The jeans I got to go with these. These are also $19.99 from Abercrombie and Fitch. They have the white stripe going down the side with the rips. And these ones aren't super skinny, they're just landing skinny. Landing skinny is the same thing as saying skinny jeans. The bottoms are regular, they're not cuffed. So the shoes I'm gonna wear these with are some Pumas. These are called Puma Thunder Spectras. Pretty nice shoe, $120. I think I got them on sale anyway. The next one I got is a more casual fit. Instead of jeans looking nice going out to an event, you have this polo by Abercrombie and Fitch. This one was priced at $24, but with my 50% off since I worked there, it only cost me $12. As you see, it says Abercrombie and Fitch on the sleeve. Now, I usually don't like wearing stuff that says Abercrombie and Fitch. I just don't like titles unless it's something like Gucci, Balenciaga. And if that's the case, I want everything on it to say Balenciaga and Gucci, but Gucci. Anyway, that's completely off case. Anyway, you see it's a nice polo. It's actually a fitted polo, so I'm not that big. I'm a little big, you know what I'm saying? This hat almost don't fit. And I got this hat when I was a toddler. It means I'm pretty big. Anyway, the sleeves are fitted. Kind of makes my muscles that aren't so big look pretty big. These were $19.99 as well in the clearance section. This has a little Abercrombie and Fitch logo right here, which I think is okay. The bottom comes down to a jogger. It's cuffed up at the bottom, second jogger, navy blue. So it's a great simple sweatpant to go with that, especially because it's light gray. So the shoes I would wear with these are the Yeezy 500s. I don't really gotta say too much about these. You know what I mean? You guys know the story behind these bad boys. There's a store called Against All Odds. They sell stuff like Champion, Fila, all stuff like that. Puma tracksuits, Tommy Hilfiger, all types of shoots like that, you know, all types of suits and clothes like that. So they have this jacket here, cost me $40 with nice fur. It's like this black fur on the inside of the hood. The hood zips off. See the whole side, it's super thick. Now, a lot of people are gonna look at this and be like, wait a minute, doesn't it look like a Canadian goose? As you can see, they kind of copied the logo here, but you know me, like, I'm not a big luxury kid. I'm showing you something I got for $100, some change. Like, I don't have that much money. I don't have to sit here and flaunt. It's not like I'm famous. Like, I work every single day. I can't afford a Canadian goose. Like, I mean, I can go buy one, but like, you know, it's gonna hurt my wallets a little bit. So, you know what I'm saying? Like, get stuff that looks good and makes you feel good. Stop worrying about all these people thinking you gotta wear designer, man. I leave my house with Nike, Abercrombie and Fitch, and I rock it hard like it's Gucci. Anybody ask me where it's from, $12 Abercrombie and Fitch. I find pride in getting stuff for a good price and looking nice instead of breaking the bank just to look cool. But that's besides the point. It's my clothing haul, guys. Thank you for watching this. Hopefully you guys like it. Give this a thumbs up, a comment, like, subscribe. I'm sorry I'm not your beautiful Abercrombie and Fitch model. I'm only out here for the Naruto fans, but you know, I'm getting tired of this camera, so Naruto out! Man, cut the camera off, dog.